it's not just for looks. The new design improves aerodynamics and high-speed stability. Under the hood, BMW's legendary B58 3.0-liter turbo inline-six delivers 382 horsepower and a classic straight-six soundtrack. With the top down, every drive is a symphony of engine and exhaust. The Z4 M40i balances comfort and performance with adaptive M suspension and an M Sport differential. Switch from Comfort to Sport Plus, and the car transforms from cruiser to corner carver. The soft top is light, quick to operate, and preserves trunk space, a practical touch. Inside, you get BMW's high-quality materials, digital displays, and intuitive iDrive system. Supportive seats and a driver-focused layout make it perfect for both spirited drives and long trips. The Z4 M40i isn't a revolution, it's a refinement. BMW has sharpened the dynamics, kept the glorious inline-six, and made the Z4 more compelling than ever. For those not ready to go electric, this is the peak of the classic roadster formula. It's a celebration of rear-wheel drive, open-air motoring, and the joy of a great engine. In a world racing toward electrification, the Z4 M40i is a reminder of why we fell in love with convertibles in the first place. It's the old-school thrill, perfected for today. The Z4 M40i, a modern classic, and a love letter to the traditional sports car. If you crave the sound, the feel, and the connection, this is your car. BMW isn't reinventing the wheel, they're making it spin faster and with more style. The Z4 M40i stands as a benchmark for what a pure internal combustion roadster can be. It's proof that sometimes the best way forward is to double down on what you do best. For 2025, BMW's message is clear: the thrill of driving is alive and well. The Z4 M40i is here to prove it, and it does every time you drop the top and hit the gas. Let's explore the Maserati MC20 Cielo. Cielo means sky, and this convertible is all about open-air driving. The Cielo's design is even more dramatic with the top down. Its highlight? A retractable electrochromic glass roof that switches from opaque to transparent. Enjoy the sky even when the weather isn't perfect, or drop the top in just 12 seconds. Under the hood, Maserati's Nettuno 3.0L twin-turbo V6 delivers 621 horsepower using F1-inspired tech. It hits 0-60 in under 3 seconds and a top speed of over 200 miles per hour. The carbon fiber monocoque chassis keeps it light and rigid, so handling is razor sharp. The Cielo is